Hello viewers, so it has happened once again. Microsoft has confirmed another issue related to BitLocker after installing the October 2025 security updates for Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you check the update history, the affected updates are for Windows 11 version 25 H2 KB5066835. For Windows 11 version 24 H2, the same update for Windows 10 version 22 H2 KB5066791, which was the final security update since Microsoft has officially ended support for Windows 10. According to the Microsoft, after installing these updates, some devices may face problems during restart or startup. This issue mainly affects Intel-based PC with modern standby, a low power mode that allows background tasks while the system is asleep. This seems to be impacting enterprise system the most. Microsoft also mentioned that no data lost or corruption has been reported. The main problem is that users may be locked out of their devices and will need their BitLocker recovery key to access their computer again. Once the key is entered, the system should start normally. This is not the first time BitLocker has caused issue after an update, and Microsoft has stated that it's already working on a fix. IT administrator can temporarily resolve the issue by using the non-issue rollback group policies. If you want to check whether BitLocker is enabled on your Windows 11 device, follow these steps. Open Settings, then System, then Storage. Click on Advanced Storage Setting and then Disk and Volumes. Select your drive and click Properties. If BitLocker is active, it will show the status is encrypted. Note: BitLocker has not turned on by default in Windows 11 Home, so you will only see it if you are using Windows 11 Pro or higher editions. So once again, Microsoft has confirmed BitLocker problem after the October security update. If there are any new information, I will keep you updated. Hopefully Microsoft resolve these BitLocker issues soon, as it's a crucial feature for protecting user data. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.